demonstrating the working of engine replacing robot.
Sustainability is a major issue in today's world, and so is the amount of fossil fuels is consumed by the vehicles.
This is a problem because the carbon footprint of these vehicles is increasing day by day, which causes global warming, pollution, health hazards, and many more. So we have used the concept of solar engine technology
And made a mechanical arm which replaces with the mechanical engine with solar powered engine.
This is important because solar power engine relies on renewable resources rather than fossil fuels.
The robot which can and deployed in a small scale in a car industries.
Let's look at it in action. In this prototype, the Jeep is programmed to go under the mechanical arm. The mechanical arm picks up the mechanical engine once it detects the Jeep. Now the mechanical arm replaces the mechanical engine with the solar powered one. You can see this process here. Now a dumpster bot picks up the mechanical engine and dumps it for recycling. Thank you to Niti Ayog
And DPS sir.
for giving us this opportunity.